Hello channel, welcome to my guys. Today I will share how to lose a karate fight. हैं ठीक है हाँ बस रिसेंटली बिना प्रैक्टिस के पराठे शराठे खा के हम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैलिकट के जहाँ पे चले गए, जहाँ पे हमने सेल्फी वगैरह तो बहुत ली, लेकिन सेल्फी के अलावा पंच किक वगैरह भी मिला. My first complaint, why is everyone taller than me? My kicking range is their punching range. यार ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, हमको भी थोड़ा चांस दिया करो. ऐसे थोड़ी. एक तो बुढ़ापे में हमसे पैर नहीं उठता, जो हमने उठाया वो आपकी मुंडी तक पहुंचा नहीं, क्योंकि वो आपने लगा रखी है दूसरे माले पे. अब क्या लिफ्ट पकड़ के आए हम वहां तक. But this video can be actually helpful if you are like me, lazy, out of shape, but for some reason you have to participate in some kind of a fight or karate match. Step 1, simple, say no. नहीं होता हमसे. Step 2, be safe, because step 1 will not work always. So how to be safe in a karate fight? Now this is not full contact, right? So to be safe, you should manage your distance. Maybe you should work on your stamina. I know you don't have time. Use your front leg. Now punching someone's face with full power is a foul in karate. So what you want to do is, you want to be a very good boy, because we need to be safe. You don't do any other fouls. You don't push the person. You don't irritate the person. Now this will have an impact on the opponent. Now he gets that feeling of respect, and now it goes like a game. If you get to score, you score. If he gets to score, he will score. Nobody is after anyone's life. If you show some sports spirit, smile, bow down to the opponent, acknowledge with a thumbs up for the last move he pulled off. Now this will cool things down. Now it doesn't get ugly and personal. Step 3, don't play his game. Now you see, before this match started, the tournament was very entertaining. Everybody is jumping around and throwing fancy karate kicks. But I made it, like, I slowed it down and I made it very boring. Now this is for me, because if I try all that, what will happen is I'll lose maybe stamina, I'll make a fool out of myself. Now अपने बुढ़ापे के हिसाब से मैच को टर्न कर देने का है. Try to change the pace of the match which is comfortable for you. Now it won't work always, but you can try. All this is not for people who are continuously practicing for their competition. This is for people like me. Last time I was in a competition, I don't remember when I was in a competition. So if the place is new for you, wait for your chance. Your chance will come. Focus more on maintaining distance using front leg or counter attacks. Wait for your chance. You will see. Karate fight is not a real fight. This is just a game. So when you see a point, that is when you go for it. That's so easy, that's safe, and it will be comfortable for you. Now you might be thinking, why am I not using my backhand? Like you might be commenting down there, go for the body or do something else, or maybe like use elbow. The problem is, this is karate, sports karate. If the other guy touches me, he gets a point. So I have to maintain that distance. But will all this work against a better, a faster opponent? No. Yes, this guy punched me from 2 meters away in the face. From a range where my kicks can't reach him, he can reach me with his punches. Even if I have the same skill level as his, which I don't, he will still have that reach advantage. And here is a beautiful kick by this guy. Of course, it is awesome. Do I recommend this? Do I like the kick? No, I don't. You will find this only in point karate. Your back is facing the opponent and you do this kick. If it has power, of course, it can hurt the person. You can hit with the heel, but too much risk. If you have a referee that will stop the fight right when you touch the opponent's head with your foot, it's okay. But otherwise, now you're off balance. The other guy is running for you. And can you believe I got a bronze medal for this? So that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to subscribe to Bujin TV. Check out Bujin TV. The link is in description. Now what is Bujin TV? Bujin TV is like the Netflix of martial art. Here you'll find many videos and masters and their seminars and video clippings. Stuff you will like. Educational, actually very nice content. So don't forget to use the code Karate TV for getting first month free subscription.